Hey guys, I'm super excited. I just got in my wall hanging plant terrarium, okay? So this is super awesome. It's gonna come well packaged and cared for, okay? And we can actually hang this vertically or horizontally. We can use it at any kind of wedding events. You can use it just as a party for decor, okay? Offices, bedrooms, living rooms, anything like that. It is gonna be awesome. So right here we have our user manual. It's gonna have all of those nice tips and tricks. It's going to show you how to install it, okay? We're also going to have right here, we have our little clips. All right, let me open it to show you. So, as you can see here, we have tons of different ones. We're actually going to slide the test tubes right through here. And the test tubes, guys, are removable. So when you need to dump out the old water, put some new in, if you want to give it a nice good scrub, anything like that, you can definitely do it. You are not limited, okay? Let's go ahead and open this. Ah! It is so beautiful. And they even put the protection on the side. Let's open these test tubes. Are you ready? They're so cute. This is a vintage wooden frame, artificial grass, test tube vases. The combination of these three reflect a beautiful, modern, minimalistic style. Decorating your home while decorating with more plants. It's a win. As a living painting in a wooden art frame hanging on the wall, the simple design has its own uniqueness. This propagation station is suitable for displaying artificial or fresh flowers, plant cuttings, hydroponic plants, air plants, flower arrangements, levitating plants, younger plants, or anything you can think of. Did you know, as a bonus, that propagation planters bring nature into your life and help to purify your house or office? This thin and slim terrarium provides plenty of room for the plant's roots, and all are visible for observing its growth condition. The photo frame is made of natural wood, so it's odorless and non-toxic. We can put it anywhere in our home or give it as a gift to our family or friends and feel okay. We don't have to worry. We know it's safe. The installation steps are super easy. So step 1, you're going to decide whether you want to hang it horizontal or vertical. Step 2, tighten the screws to ensure that the hook on both sides are in the same horizontal position. Step 3, you're going to use a hammer to hit the nails on the wall to make sure it corresponds with the opening of the hooks. Then step 4, we're going to go ahead and plant and plan where we want to go ahead and mount these. You're going to use the screwdriver to poke through the back hole. Step 5, press and hold the artificial grass on the front and poke a small hole through the artificial grass. Step 6, install the panel holders on the front. Step 7, fix it by using the butterfly nut on the back. Step 8, buckle the ring on the test tube. Step 9, buckle the ring into the panel holder and then decorate as you want. Super easy. This plant terrarium is a nice way to add texture, warmth, and visual interest to your room decor. Bring the greenery to your home, office, kitchen, wedding, living room, garden, baby shower, and any other holiday decorations or get-togethers. It's perfect for every scene. In this package, we are going to have one of the photo frames, 4 test tubes, 2 non-trace wall hooks, 1 screwdriver, 4 test tube racks, 1 installation guide, and please remember this does not contain any plants. But guys, it does come in a beautiful box and is a unique gift for women, family, friends, kids, gardeners, scientists, plant lovers, and women all alike. I also think it would make a great Mother's Day gift.